Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Supercell ID verification code not receiving on your Gmail. So let's get started. First thing first, go to your Gmail account and check spam or junk folder. Sometimes legitimate emails including verification codes can be mistakenly filtered into the spam or junk folder by email providers. Check your Gmail spam junk folders to see if the verification code email is there. After that, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside the Settings app, go to the General, then tap on the iPhone storage. Then simply scroll down till you find the Gmail option available there. Then simply offload your app. Offloading an app on iOS refers to a feature that allows you to remove the app from your device while preserving its data. So offload your app. And after that, simply go to Supercell ID Help Support. To do that, tap on COC. Then go to the Settings. And inside the Settings, tap on the Help Center. Then in Help Center, tap on the message icon available in the top right corner. Then tap on Leave Messages. Then simply let Supercell support know that you can't log into your account through messages. Then after that, Supercell account will further assist you. They may be able to provide further guidance or help resolve this issue. They might even give you any verification code or anything else to recover your account. By following this step, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of not receiving the Supercell ID verification code on your Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.